Ken Weller here. In this video we're going to continue to talk a little bit about some of the parts that we made using the 3D printer for the device called the Helping Hand. Now, in addition to our base unit, we also talked about the 3-port adapter. This is a 3-port adapter that has threaded holes in the front of it, 3 of them, and the flex arms are actually flexible arms that have different types of clamps. We have a plastic clamp, and then we have some that have metal clamps. Then we have also some flex arms that have large magnifiers on them, and some with small magnifiers for magnifying the work. And then these all attach to this 3-port simply by screwing them into one of the 3 ports on this 3-port adapter. Now, if we want more than one, we can screw a second one in. Then we have 2 clamps. If we want to add a magnifier to that, we can screw it into one of the ports. And you can continue this process and put as many clamps and ports into this unit as are capable by simply putting those in and then coming up and adding another one, and you can put 3 more clamps in if you need them for a certain task. Or you can put a device in there like this particular one that goes in, and it has a screw hole in the bottom of it that screws into an iPad holder, or we also have the smaller ones that will set up here for holding your smartphone. So that's how easy it is to come up with different configurations. There are configurations like this one, where we can actually install a Dremel tool and have clamps. And then there are also devices that have LED lights where we can add LED lights to it. And then in addition to something like that, we also have something like this vise that could be put on here. This adapter comes with a vise for hard clamping materials that you're going to be working on. So there are a lot of different parts that we had to make. The one thing they all had in common on these adapters is that they all had that original design that would allow them to easily insert into this base unit. And altogether at this point we have 9 different adapters that slide in to this unit for different purposes. In addition to that, we have a number of different flex arm accessories that will screw in to these different adapters so that you can have combinations of tools and these flex arm accessories. So that's a little bit more about some of the attachments and everything for the helping hand, to give you an idea of some of its functionality. Now we'll be continuing on. The videos coming up will be going into a little more detail on some of the parts themselves, and we'll be showing some of the actual printing processes too with the 3D printers. Thank you for watching.